On this special day, I would like to thank all the people who become a part of my learning. My loving and caring teachers, Teacher Madam and Teacher Jenny, who taught me how to read and write, who also sings and plays with us, and to my sweet maid Pia, who became my first friend, and to my Mama Olive, who patiently prepares me to school, to my Mommy Wen and Daddy Albert, who gave me the gift of life, and to dear God, who gave us strength and talent that we have today. I am very glad to share with you my joy, for my talent have been recognized. I wish for all our dreams to come true, that someday I'll be a dentist. And to my dear parents, teachers, classmates, and friends, this is Aliana Richie Tamayo, Evangelista. Good evening.